Hello, everyone. My name is Jianfen. I'd like to introduce the Hexen project. The project name is the AWS deployment subscription. Our team member is me and Adam. So what we want to resolve the problem is, there's many deployment data in the AWS. So you will have to log into AWS console to check the deployment change every time. So it's a trouble since there's many services. So our idea in the Hexen is to let user easily know the deployment. So for our solution, we'd like to build a Slack app. You can easily set the subscription command to the Slack channel, or just install the app to your workspace, so you can set the command line, set the command to communicate with the app, and after that, user will get the notification when there's any deployment change in the AWS. So here's the demo. So you can see here's my Slack. Here's my Slack. I have installed this application app. The app name is AWS deployment, the sub. So this is app we built. When you can install into your workspace. After that, you can set the command like this. The command what to do is subscribe. The environment is state. The cluster name is hello hack state there one. And the source name is the Hexen, hello Hexen. This is source name. So we want to know the change or these services. So this is the demo services. We will do some change in the in another message. We'd like to provision another version. So we'd like to our app can capture the change and set the location to the channel. This is the app backend server. You can see there will be many message output. You can see here's the history. History notification event. It will be look like this. You can see here we already got the notification. The notification contains the cluster name, the source name, and the change date. Here's the change date we get from the actually this is the create date or the updated date. So when there's any change, we will got this notification. So I think that will ease or to check the deployment. Actually, we also have other command line to support. We can support the describe environment. We can see all the services information in our whitelist. We have a whitelist. There's the couple of services have included in our whitelist. Yeah, there's another demo services changed in the backend, so we will get another notification event. So that's it for the demo. Another thing is we want to talk about the future. We'd like to integrate with Wagon to collect the service deployment. It will be very easy for us to, currently our solution is pulling the AWS change by the AWS API. And other things we'd like to export other support more environment. Currently, we just support the staging 2. And our things is build a flexible rule to subscribe and describe easily. Last thing is we'd like to reach the notification event body to contain much more useful information. Okay, thank you. That's all.